Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Christina Lashes is probably one of the most exciting beauty products I've reviewed recently. These lashes promise to elevate your look with their natural appearance and easy application. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Christina Lashes, exploring their design, the materials used, and, of course, how they look when applied. Get ready to discover if these lashes live up to the hype and if they're the perfect addition to your makeup routine. Number 5. Onlyall A04 False Eyelashes. These Onlyall lashes feature an ultra-thin lash band. It's more lightweight and looks more natural than ever before. These strip lashes are featherweight. They are made of superfine fiber, so you will feel comfortable and soft all day long. The lash band is sturdy enough to hold the lash shape. It is suitable for various eye shapes, including almond, round, and hooded eyes. These eyelashes are perfect for everyday wear, work, weddings, parties, photo shoots, and special occasions. It will make you more attractive. They are easy to apply, allowing for multiple uses. You can reuse them up to 15 to 20 times, saving you time and money. What we like. These lashes feature an ultra-thin band for a natural look. They are also weightless, ensuring all-day comfort. If you're looking for lashes that are easy to apply and comfortable to wear all day, this is a great choice. What people say. They look natural but still make my eyes pop. The band is seamless, you guys. The band is even thinner than the Ardell's and I've tried almost all their styles. Number 4. DIY Eyelash Extension Lash Clusters. These eyelashes are the new style of lash extensions. The upgraded shapes are designed for a better fit. With these, you can create endless new possibilities. There are enough options for you to match, flexible and free to create your own pace. Each size is also available in quantities that are sufficient for multiple uses. The unique shape can give you a special visual effect. The lashes are made of Korean high-quality fiber, which is non-irritating to your eyes. They are featherlight and look natural, giving you a comfortable wearing experience. Compared to salon extensions, these lash clusters are easier and faster to apply. This saves you time and money. They also look more natural than strip lashes. If you have any questions or are not satisfied, please contact us. We will provide a satisfactory solution. We strive to supply the best products and service to every customer. What we like. These DIY lash clusters offer new styles and possibilities. With multiple sizes, you can customize your look. If you are looking for a way to achieve a professional lash extension look at home, these clusters are perfect for you. What people say. These are so easy to put on. The glue strips save a ton of time, and holds up really well. These have not hindered my lash growth at all. They last about 5 to 7 days at time. I can shower, wash my face, sweat like crazy, and these lashes stay put. They feel super soft, and full volume once applied. They are pretty easy to apply once you figure it out. Number 3. Onlyall D1 Natural Wispy Lashes. Introducing Onlyall D1 Natural Lashes. These lashes offer a natural, wispy look, perfect for everyday wear. You'll love how they enhance your eyes. These false eyelashes feature an ultra-thin lash band. It's more lightweight and natural looking than ever before. You won't even feel them. Made of superfine fiber, these strip lashes are featherweight. You'll feel comfortable and soft throughout the day. It's like wearing nothing at all. The lash band is sturdy enough to hold its shape, suitable for various eye shapes. Whether you have almond-shaped, round, or hooded eyes, it will fit perfectly. These eyelashes are perfect for everyday wear, work, weddings, parties, and photo shoots. It will make you look stunning in any situation. Easy to apply and reusable up to 15 to 20 times. It saves you time and money. Get ready to enjoy beautiful lashes effortlessly. What we like. These lashes feature an ultra-thin band for a natural look. They are also weightless, ensuring all-day comfort. If you're looking for lashes that are easy to apply and comfortable to wear all day, this is a great choice. What people say. They are so easy to apply. The lashes look so much more natural while still giving a pretty, flattering definition. They're long enough to make a difference but look natural and real at the same time. Number 2. Siligli 3D Cat Eyelashes, 7 pairs. These lashes are designed to give you a beautiful cat eye effect. The flared design adds volume and lifts your eyes, making them look bigger and brighter. It's perfect for any occasion. The lashes use a thin, flexible band that blends seamlessly with your natural lashes. They are easy to apply and comfortable to wear all day long. You'll barely feel them. Made with superfine synthetic fibers, these lashes feel incredibly soft and light. They are as comfortable as your own lashes, but they enhance your look. You'll love how they feel. The 3D volume design and crisscross structure create a full, exquisite look. These lashes will make your eyes pop. They are designed to give you a stunning, natural look. This pack includes 7 pairs of lashes made with cruelty-free, skin-friendly materials. You can reuse them, and they are perfect for daily wear or special events. They are a great choice. Please note that glue is not included. However, these lashes are compatible with all standard eyelash glues. If you have any issues, we offer refunds or replacements within 12 hours. We are here to help. What we like? These lashes give you a natural cat eye effect. The thin band is easy to apply and comfortable to wear. If you like a subtle yet eye-catching enhancement, these lashes are ideal for you. What people say. The application process is quick, and the lash band is flexible and long-lasting, also easy to remove with mild soap and water or makeup remover. They are lightweight, flexible, and the best part is that the band is super thin flexible. Natural, with a hint of dramatic to uplift my daily look. Number 1. Siligli 3D Wispy Cat Eyelashes. These lashes feature a flared design with longer lengths at the outer edges. This extends and lifts your eyes, creating a charming, effortless look. They are perfect for daily wear. The ultra-thin cotton band is only 0.1 millimeters, incredibly flexible and lightweight. It blends seamlessly with your natural lashes, providing all-day comfort. You won't even feel them. These lashes simulate the feel of real eyelashes, soft as silk and feather-light. They enhance your natural look with an improved feel. The tapered technology makes your eyes fuller and brighter. The double-layered crisscross structure creates a natural, full, and curled appearance. These lashes won't fall apart or knot, giving you a beautiful look without damaging your own lashes. This pack includes 7 pairs of lashes made from ultralight, soft synthetic fibers. They are cruelty-free, skin-friendly, and maintain their curl all day. They are suitable for any occasion. Please note that eyelash glue is not included. However, these lashes are compatible with all ordinary eyelash glues. If you have any issues, please contact us for a refund or replacement within 12 hours. What we like? These lashes offer a wispy cat eye design for a lengthening effect. The thin cotton band ensures a comfortable fit. If you want a natural, full, and curled eye appearance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The application process is quick, and the lash band is flexible and long-lasting, also easy to remove with mild soap and water or makeup remover. They are lightweight, flexible, and the best part is that the band is super thin flexible. Natural, with a hint of dramatic to uplift my daily look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.